It's not financial advice, it's not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. Anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff. So you get the videos I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see me analyzing that data. Like I tell y'all every day, the day they release us is false. When they give us a false narrative market, so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, Powell had a lot to say yesterday. A lot to say about the economy, about the interest rates, about the banks. And I'm going to tell you something. We can't trust what they tell us. Because, like I tell every day, they give us the information, support the narrative that they want us to believe. Now, he wants us to believe that these three banks, Silvergate, Credit Suisse, Silicon Valley Bank, that these were just anomalies. He wanted us to believe that these were just anomalies and that the whole banking system is secure and safe. Based on everything I'm seeing, based on the data I'm analyzing, the whole banking industry is not safe, it's not secure, and it's about to crash. But in the middle of all this smoke and mirrors that he's throwing at us in his speech, some truth comes out. And this is what I believe to be the truth. This is just my opinion. He said it's gonna be more difficult for people to get loans. Okay? He said it's gonna be more difficult for people to get loans. And everything that he said yesterday, that is a 100% the truth. It is gonna be more difficult for people to get loans. 100% as far as I'm concerned. And when I say people, I don't just mean consumer loans. I don't mean homes to buy houses, cars, no. I'm talking about loans to short the market. Okay? I'm talking about loans to short the market. These bad actors, these hedgies, they're co-conspirators. It's going to be a lot more difficult and a lot more expensive for them to get money to maintain their short positions. Now, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. That's not what I'm telling you. What I'm telling you is this. Based on everything I'm seeing in the market, based on what Mr. Powell said, it's going to be more difficult for them to get loans because the banks are already having financial difficulties. They're going to call in those high-risk loans, and they are definitely not going to issue any new high-risk loans. They are not going to do that. Nobody wants to become another Archegos, another Credit Suisse. They do not want that. And because of that, these guys are going to be forced to start closing their short positions. They might try to push the market back up a little bit. They'll push it back up a little bit to make us feel comfortable, to make us feel safe. But, and this is just my opinion, the market's going to crash. We have not reached the bottom, and the market's going to crash. I see more banks going down, and there's really nothing that can save them. They can't print enough money to save them. You know why? Because the SEC hasn't done their job in 20 years. Since 2008, they've allowed the thing to get worse and worse and worse and worse. So when the economy crashes, I blame the SEC and our regulatory agencies for not doing their job, for not policing the market. But if they police the market and charge the bad actors real fines, real jail time, they wouldn't be taking the risk that they take now. Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.